everyone, thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. I am excited to do a Influenster unboxing. They've been sending me a ton of Vox Boxes, and I'm sure by now my giveaway and COVID-19 update will be up, so I will tag that up here or down below, but you guys can catch up on, where I've been and what's been going on. But I am feeling much better, and I've gotten actually like 2 or 3 Vox Boxes from Influenster. So if you guys haven't checked out what the Influenster app is all about, it's about reviewing products that they send you for free. So I've made several videos. I will try and find some to tag up here, but there's no subscription required. It's free. And, you just write reviews online and they send you things. So I have one here that I've been waiting just for you. It says to open until I was feeling better. So if you are interested in seeing a quick Influencer unboxing with me, then please keep watching. So sometimes these boxes come with themes. I think the most recent one I got was either the cocoa butter, like Palmer's cocoa butter formula, the hemp lotion and oil. I'll try and tag that video. Or it might have been a perfume. I can't remember because they've been sending me so many. But this one says the theme is a sleigh giving Vox box. So it's got 3 things in it. I have, oh, that's exciting. Okay, very exciting. So it says, out of millions of members, there's just one of you. Congrats on making our list. So it sends a little card with the items on it. So I will try not to butcher it, but I'm super excited. So this is the Kevyn Aucoin The Volume Mascara. So this is awesome because it's just in time for my forever mentioned mascara review. So I don't know if I'll open this one just because I have so many open mascaras, but I like the packaging. I like the weight of it. It's a pretty tiny bottle. I do have one other Kevyn Aucoin product. Let me see if I can find it for you. Yep. I got this in either a Marshall's or a TJ Maxx haul. So you can see that the packaging is very similar here. And this is the Kevyn Aucoin blush, I believe. Or the Neo blush. It's like a gradient type blush. It's very pretty. But I'm super pumped about this mascara. Quite excited about that. This is the Mizani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in for all hair types. I believe it is a leave-in conditioner. So this is a huge bottle. It is 8.5 fluid ounces. Like it is pretty milky though. It's like so much liquid. I mean, that's amazing. So thank you, Influenster and Mizani, for that. I also got the Paco, I really think I'm butchering this, you guys, but it's Paco Rabanne Eau de Toilette. So it's a perfume here. I believe it's in the scent 1 million. It evokes a very masculine fantasy and desire, dare to be 1 million. Well, this is super cute. I love the packaging. It feels very luxe. It looks like a little gold bar. Probably emulating that whole expensive type situation. Oh yeah. That smells great. I think I'm gonna give this to Ben to try because I think that he'll really, really like it. It's more of a masculine scent, so I will let you guys know what he thinks when I put that in his stocking or something. And lastly is another Kevyn Aucoin item. So Kevyn Aucoin products, like I said, I had that blush from TJ Maxx or Marshall's, but they're very nice. They're very good quality. So I got this giant palette here. Let me take this cover off because it's a little shiny. So it has kind of this like vinyl-y covered type front to it. Okay. Oh, it's a face palette. This is very cool. So it's a contouring, the contour book, The Art of Sculpting and Defining Volume 3, Sculpt, Highlight, and Warm. So it's got bronzer, illuminating highlight, and sculpting powder in light, deep, and medium. This is gorgeous. So again, it has that kind of warming gradient blush. So I wonder if that is the same one as the one I have. Let's see, highlighting powder, neo bronzer, bronzing powder, sculpting powder. I don't know, it doesn't say, but that definitely looks similar to, you know, the blush I have. It just kind of has a bronzing shade in it, which is very cool. Let me swatch this flash and beam for you. Don't know if you can quite see it yet. There we go. This one is beam and this one is flash. So flash has more of that kind of like brown undertone. Beam has more of the kind of champagne color. Just upon touching it, it is very densely pressed, and so it is kind of, you know, more powdery feeling. But I will definitely use this and let you guys know, along with the mascara and the leave-in conditioner, to see how it is and let you guys know. But if you haven't gotten on board the influencer train yet, I don't think these videos are super popular, which is fine. But I just want you guys to be able to get product for free if you would like it, without having to have like 10,000 subscribers to be on a PR list. So best way I can tell you to do it is to download the Influenster app and start reviewing products. And then they will send it to you, and you'll feel like an influencer and that you're on a PR list, and like you just get products for free. Just kidding. So thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this sleigh giving, what was it? Sleigh giving, I think. Sleigh giving Vox box. So I will talk to you all soon. I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and take care. Bye.